So out here on a data cabling job we've been doing. So today we're mounting up a cabinet. We're going to put all the data cabling into the cabinet, patch it all down into patch panels, and then put all their gear in it. So it's just been like that for ages. So the cabinet's all mounted up, look at that, nice and level. So beautiful. So now I've got my duct mounted up in place there. It's a 50 by 50, so it'll be enough to bring in the data cables that we've got there. Okay, so now I've got all my cables coming down in the duct. All coming to here. So now I'm going to go through and I was going to test a few of them, make sure everything's going where they're going, because there were some originals, some that have been put in, and we're going to make a couple of access points in too. So yeah, we'll just see. So I worked out the cables that we need now, then removed all the other ones back up into the ceiling. Now, the boys, you can see it down here, get ready to put the conduits up for the cameras. Right, so I'm just going to make all this look nice and neat. So just starting to crane down all the Cat 6s now, and shouldn't take too long. And then I am done. Everything's been patched down now, and nice and neat. Now I can just sort of go back. Like those. So now we've got to relocate that phone system, and I want that phone system put in here. The cabling's coming up from the floor for the phone system, so I'm just going to have to do a little bit of cable magic to get that in here. So that's done now. We're all done with our data cabling and putting the cabinet in, mounting everything up. So as you can see here from the photos before, it's much neater. We've got everything mounted in the racks now. Okay, so it's all nice and neat in here now. Put his phone system down the bottom here. Our IT guy's coming in. He's going to do a bit more work here. That's all cabineted up, all lockable. Nice new ducting down. Right, so much neater than before. So if you want your office data cabling and network cabling all fixed up and look nice and neat like this, all packed away and having a mess, links in the description below. Give us a buzz, we'll come out and sort it out.